Section 11, groundwater. We'll talk about groundwater, which is a large, a major reservoir for liquid fresh water. And it represents the water beneath the surface. Groundwater represents the largest reservoir of fresh water that's readily available for humans, right? Geologically, groundwater is an equalizer of the stream flow, and hydrogeologists are studying it in detail. And also, geologically is important because the dissolving action of the groundwater will produce caverns, and it also can produce sinkholes. Sinkholes are very dangerous, especially if you live in Florida. We are so familiar with sinkholes, and that's the main cause of sinkholes. The groundwater actually affects the sinkhole developments. And looking at this section here, the diagram is showing you the position of many features that is associated with groundwater. Groundwater is water. The water is water that occupies the pore spaces in sediment and rock in a zone beneath the surface, and that zone called the zone of saturation. So you always find the groundwater in the zone of saturation. The upper limit of this zone is called water table. As you see in the picture, I can mark it here. That's the water table, and this area is zone of saturation. The zone above the water table, where the material is not saturated, called unsaturated zone. Also, you'll see in your PowerPoint slides this figure. It's showing you the porosity effect in the groundwater storage. The quantity of water that can be stored in open spaces in rock or sediment is termed porosity. The porosity is really important, and also the permeability. The permeability is the ability of a material to transmit a fluid through the interconnected pore spaces. Is a key factor here to affect the movement of groundwater. Aquifers are permeable materials that transmit groundwater freely. On the other hand, aquifers are impermeable material. If you listen to the video, now you can go ahead and do your homework. Thank you.